dy. So, simplifying, ilabas lang natin yung b kasi constant naman siya. So, we have y squared dy from 0 to h. So, power rule. So, y squared dy, that is equal to y cubed over 3 from 0 to h. So, upper minus lower. So, we have bh cubed over 3. Ayan yung ix. Sir, paano yung moment of inertia? Si I and A, ang formula natin is Ix minus AD squared. Ang Ix natin, we have BH cubed over 3 minus the area, base times height. Ang distance D natin is H over 2 squared. So, simplifying, we have BH cubed over 3 minus BH cubed over 4. Factor out BH cubed. Matitiran ka ng 1/3 minus 1/4. Therefore, ang moment of inertia about the neutral axis is 1/3 minus 1/4. 1/4. That is BH cubed over 12. Ayan. So, kunwari nakalimutan nyo lang yung formula, posible naman kasi yun naman ginagamit nyo lagi. No? Dyan po galing yung formula na yan. Sa triangle, sir, paano naman siya sa triangle? Pero alam ko, hindi nyo na makakalimutan yan. Ako din, nagamit ko lang yan isang beses sa isang subject, di ko na din nakalimutan. Sir, paano pagka ganito naman? So, di ba ito ay sa rectangle? So, ito nagbabago na to. Di ba? Ay, Barbie. Change in x. Tapos ito dy pa din. So, paano na to, sir, pagka nagbabago? Iba yung base. Di ba ang sabi natin, ang formula pa rin natin about the x-axis is equal to the integral of y squared dA. So, ano na yung y natin dyan? Ito pa din. Di ba? Yan pa din yung y natin. Tapos, yung differential area natin, that is the change in x dy. So, paano nyo kaya makukuha yung length nito? So, pwedeng ratio and proportion, tama? So, kung ito ay y, ito ay h minus y. So, mag-ratio and proportion lang tayo kasi similar triangle naman yan. Therefore, we have delta x over h minus y is equal to b over h. No, ito yung ratio natin. Yung base nito to the height and then base nito to the height kapag similar triangle. So, ang to solve for delta x, that is equal to b over h minus y. So, substituting, we have the integral of y squared. Ang dA natin is b over h minus y dA. Ay, tapos na pala. dy pala. Okay? 0 to, ang limits natin from 0 to h. So, ilabas lang natin yung constant. So, we have b over h. The integral of y squared h. Distribute ko na. And then y cubed dy. From 0 to h. So, we have b over h pa din. Then, integrate. So, we have y squared dy. So, we have y cubed h, may h pa pala, over 3 minus y raised to 4 over over 4. Ang limits, 0 to h. So, simplifying, so we have b over h. So, we have h. Substitute natin si h dito. So, magiging h cubed times h. H raised to 4 over 3. Minus, substitute lang natin, h raised to 4 over 4. So, factor out natin si h raised to 4 over h. Matitiran ka dito ng 1/3 minus 1/4. Cancel, cancel, tatlo. So, we have bh cubed over 1/3 minus 1/4. So, 1 over 12. Kaya ito yung moment of inertia about the x-axis ng triangle. Then, kapag tinransfer uli natin yan, ang formula natin ng INA is equal to IX minus AD squared. Ang IX natin is BH cubed over 12 minus ang area, base times height over 2. Ang distance D, ito yung neutral axis, no? That is H over 3. So, we have H over 3 squared. So, we have BH cubed minus 12 minus BH times H squared. BH cubed over 2 times 9, 18. So, factor out BH cubed. Matitiran ka ng 1 over 12 minus 1 over 18. So, ang INA is 1 over 12 minus 1 over 18. So, that is BH cubed over 36. Ganyan naman yung derivation no moment of inertia about the neutral axis tsaka IX ng triangle. Pumasok pala si Erica.